Hello, amazing traders. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Forex, and this morning we'll be quickly doing market recap of good analysis plus raw price action reading. Right now, good has been consolidating since yesterday. Yesterday was beginning of the week, and we can actually see that good has been consolidating. Market was planning to move, but somehow market could not break the structure of 2,663 ounce. And right now, market is still consolidating, but could not also break the support level of 2,651 ounce. Right now, this is where we are. This is my stop loss. This is my take profit. So I'm expecting market to move for average of 350 pips. And right now, this is what is happening right now. So understanding power of raw price action reading is what you need. The ability to see daily bias, to see what market will do before it become obvious, because it's so easy for anybody to predict market movement when market hasn't moved at all. It's one of the easiest things to do. But when market actually moved, it's so easy to predict the market when market has already moved. Say we pick 500 pips, we pick 700 pips, it's one of the cheapest things. But before market become obvious, when market is still not deciding where it is going, that is the hardest part of trading. And right now, that is exactly what I'm trying to do this morning. So just market structure, I see that market has been consolidating and break this trend line, then retest at this key level. So I am expecting market to pull up and come to this key level of 2,689 ounce. And my stop loss is somewhere around here of 2,647 ounce, which is almost 50. My stop loss is 50 pips, somewhere around here. And I'm expecting market to actually pull up. So whatever happens, that is what I'm expecting this morning. So that is all I have for you guys this morning. Power of raw price action reading, no indicator, nothing. Just wait for market movement, and from psychology of candlestick, chart patterns, trend line analysis, co-integration of all those strategies together is what really makes us a trader. That is what can form our bias, because you as a trader, is your responsibility to analyze the market without being emotional. Yes, market do not work with emotions. Market with work with precision, with a level of prediction to understand what market is doing per time. So that is exactly what I have for us this morning, and I'm expecting gold to move by 350 pips. So let's see what will happen. And when it finished, I will do market recap of what happened and how market was able to move, the psychology of this movement. Right now, I'm expecting gold to come to this key level. So, what are the strategy I used? Because I am a trend line breakout trader. This is the first touch of the trend line. This is the second. As long as this key level and this key level holds, it means that market is coming to this level. But if market break this structure, break this level, then gold is coming to this key level. But since market has been consolidating since yesterday, so we're expecting a bullish movement this morning. And that is all market is about. So I'm watching, I'm seeing what market will do. And, tight stop loss, perfect entry and exit, no indicators, nothing, no stress, no fear, nothing. Just entered, proper stop loss, proper exit for right, proper entry and proper exit. That is all you need. So that when market do not go your way, can you still last in the market? It's not about just clicking buy and sell button. The market do not go my way now, I'll still be in the market. So imagine if I do go big or go home in this market, and this market do not go according to plan, I will be in my house already. So the system of go big or go home is not good for you. You cannot be extremely disciplined, profitable trader over a long period of time with the philosophy of go big or go home. You will eventually go home. And like I said in my previous video, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. You have to be disciplined. You must know what you are doing. 2025 is almost here. In the next 14 days. So please be disciplined, watch out yourself, read through price action, read more, ask questions, drop your comment below. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.